I'm Robbie Snow. I'm the field manager here at Valley Plumbing and Drain Cleaning. Are you having an issue with your water heater? If you're watching this video, you probably are. There's so many things that can go wrong with a water heater, and we can diagnose all of them. We do everything from repairs or, if needed, replacement. Now there's lots of options with replacement. Everything from tank type to tankless, gas and electric. Here at Valley Plumbing, we're up to date on all the latest technologies, and we can help you with all of your water heater needs.
Hello, my name is Lawrence Snow. I'm the president and owner here at Valley Plumbing and Drain Cleaning. Valley Plumbing and Drain Cleaning is a full-service plumbing and drain cleaning company serving Salt Lake County and Utah County. When our technicians show up to your home, they'll be in their company-supplied uniforms and company-supplied trucks. You'll recognize the truck with the duck. We show up on time, and we have upfront pricing as well, so you know the price of our services before we get started. When you call Valley Plumbing and Drain Cleaning, you will have a live person of our staff answer the phone 24 hours a day. We offer 24-hour emergency service. For Utah County, dial 801-341-4222, and Salt Lake County, 801-487-4770, or visit us online at valleyplumbing.com.